Hey, greetings everyone. Michael here, Metaphysician at Spirit Quest Academy. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're so moved about the information coming through in today's crystal energy report. I'll specifically look at energy around the 8-8 Lion's Gate. Let me bring this slide up here. And we'll talk about that a bit. And I also want to quickly review the August moon cycle. The full moon on August 3rd. And then we have this beautiful Perseid meteor shower August 11, 12, and 13. That's visible in kind of the northern hemisphere, northern sky, late at night through early morning. And it'll be a good time. There will be the last quarter moon, so there's some moonlight in the sky, but you should still be able to see a wonderful shower of the Perseids. So let me pop over to the crystal casting without further ado and see what the galactics bring in for us to move through the Lion's Gate and this month of August 2020. See you there.
We gather the crystals for our casting today. And I'll pick a random number. Bring in the messages for the Lion's Gate 8-8. At this time, for the Lion's Gate, on 8-8, you are entering into a very accelerated time of transformation. And this whole casting is saying this transformation will take you into 2020, and it will culminate in 2021. It's a time you're releasing bits of the past. This is saying you, over the last weeks, months, you've been aware of old patterns holding you back, creating health problems. And you're looking to new ways, or have actually started new ways of resolving that and releasing that. Upgrade your diet, which is very timely right now as these high cosmic energies are pouring in on the planet, forcing all kinds of light codes to come through our DNA, up level, and changing dense foods that no longer serve you is one very good way to raise your frequency. And this is say, as you clear and raise that frequency, this new prosperity comes in. So, releasing old patterns. And here is releasing old paradigms. And as these drop away, which can be very rapid throughout the gateway portal here, this is fully activating soul embodiment, a process that is primary to ascension. And here is your unconditional wisdom, your guidance, your guides, your archangels. The galactics come in. The 5D frequency and power of this incoming cycle will span these next 2 years. And there's a resolution. A resolution and a completion of a spiritual cycle of growth and transformation for you that began 20 years ago, 1999. And this cycle culminates in 2021. So, what happened in your life 20 years ago? Here's some clues for you. What new path launched for you at that time? It would be something, a new job, a new career, a graduation, a marriage, a divorce, but a huge step that changed your life. Maybe not necessarily easy. I'm getting, for some of you, it could have been a medical event, a serious illness, a surgery. But something just came in, boom, stopped your life and forced you to change your path. And in that time, you chose to climb the spiritual ladder. For some of you, this may have been the archetypal journey of the seeker, seeking wisdom. And look at how close your wisdom is to you here. And we pursue, we seek that wisdom. And this is saying, as we read the symbols and go through the inquiries and experience the life lessons, we learn to release the past and learn to know the compassion of opening our heart as to the soul's wisdom as a huge part of this process. The theme crystal comes in off of unconditional love. And again, says the 2020 energies have arrived on the planet. They're all around us. They permeate us. We need to tune out and tune into them. These energies are here to empower the new divine feminine as she births a whole new cycle for the new earth. At the same time, we have the divine masculine. Here we have a triangle, a triad of those energies. And the divine masculine will be grounding into the new earth and express his energies as empowerment and manifestation, creating the birthing of new communities of life and light on the new earth. So this cycle in your life will be immensely powerful and creative, allowing you to create and manifest all you desire. Here, right on the quadrant pin, source light. Is saying, keep your focus and your intention very clear. Surrender to the flow of the divine creative intelligence and allow the spiritual process to level up. Trust the process, trust the universe. Continually return to a vibration of love and release fear and uncertainty and stay focused on what you ultimately want. This new path to provide for you. The 5D energy comes in and says, remember, you are a spiritual being in a physical form. And any shifts and changes that are happening now are serving to align you with more of your soul power, your spiritual truth, and with that, your transitions bring you increased joy and love and opportunities and possibilities. A whole new paradigm opens to your jumping timelines to New Earth. So at this Lionsgate portal, you are guided and supported in taking a leap forward on your personal and collective ascension path. So keep your heart open. And make it a point to tune in to the influx of higher frequency and divine love. This comes around and pours into you through all of the processes you're going through. The trials and tribulations. Trust the universe. During this time, the quadrant pins are collectively saying we're all going to be reminded that we are connected to the universe, that we hold innate wisdom and power to create. That line right there. Power to create our own reality, your own reality, through your thoughts and perceptions, or in the collective consciousness through our thoughts and perceptions. So do some deep breathing, some meditation, walks in nature, review these things in your life. Review that last 20 years from 1999 to present, and where this gateway portal brings the transitions for you to complete that spiritual growth between now and 2021. Blessings, everyone. I'll close the reading here. See you on the screen.
Thank you for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, this is a general crystal reading, so take what resonates for you and revisit the video in a few days. And you may find new messages come through and specifically hit on some key points for your life moving forward in these crucial energetic times we are living through. Good day, all. Love and light. Blessings. See you in my next video.